Okay, so good afternoon, my dear students, and welcome to your English class. I am very happy to share you the next information, so give me a second, because here you go. Good afternoon, Diego. Good afternoon, David. Let's get ready to start then, okay? Yes, since you remember, my dear students, last class we were learning about some school vocabulary, so let's get ready to start, and here you go. So what are we going to do now? I am going to show you some examples of school objects, and then you need to tell me what is that, okay? So here we go. Let's start with the first, my dear students. This is a uniform. Uniform. Okay, let's continue to the next. What is it? Do you remember? What is the name of this school object? Nice. Remember, this is known as a backpack. Backpack. What is a backpack? Excellent. This is known as mochila. Backpack. Super. Let's continue to the next. Here we go. Tell me, please, my dear students, what is the name of this object? How do you call this? Excellent. Remember, this is a lunchbox. Oops, there was a problem. Let me show you again. Excellent. This is a lunchbox. Lunchbox, also known as lonchera, lunchbox. Let's carry on to the next. What is this? You tell me, please. What is the name of this school object? Excellent. Is a bulletin board. Okay, bulletin board. Tablero de anuncios. This is where you can see most of the announcements that you can find everywhere. Super, let's continue finally to the next. What is it? You tell me, please. Excellent. This is a computer. Computer, there you go. Computadora, okay? Let's continue. Vamos al siguiente. Here we go. Now we are going to talk about people. Principal. ¿Qué será principal? What is the meaning of principal? All right, excellent. Rector o director de un colegio, de una escuela, that is a principal. Principal, remember, rector o director. Excellent. This is very easy. Es lo que es su querido Osmar. What is Osmar? Yes, teacher. Teacher Osmar, teacher Daniela, teacher Daisy, teacher. Yep. Excellent. Let's continue. What about you? Tell me, what are you? What are you in your school? You tell me, please, what are you? Yes, excellent. You are a student. A student, remember, estudiante, ¿ok? Y la pregunta, the question, entre estudiantes, ¿cómo se llaman? How do you call each other? What is the name that you give each other between students? You tell me, please. How do you call yourselves? Excellent. You are classmates. What is the translation? Classmates, compañeros, classmates. Yes, excellent, super duper. Let's get ready because here you go. So, my dear students, let's get ready because we're going to identify the next activity, and here you are, okay? Before we start with this activity, let me share you now over here on page number 52. Here we have a picture of the classroom with the classmates and the teacher. In the first picture, there is the teacher. In the second picture, there isn't teacher. No teacher in the second picture. So before we start, I'm going to give you 2 minutes so that you can identify, please, what are the objects that you see in the pictures. So go, please, you can start. Okay, excellent. So let's identify what are the objects that you saw. Yeah, let's see it. My dear students, first of all, we see students. There is a teacher. The teacher is reading a book. Yes, also here there are some desks where the students are, desk. Also there is a chair. How do you call this? Do you remember? This is a whiteboard. Excellent. ¿Qué más? What else can you see? Markers, very good, markers. Okay, right, so you got it. Teacher, book, student, chair, whiteboard, markers, and desk. Okay, super. There you are. That is the first part. Let's continue then to the second part, to the second activity, okay? Now we are going to identify what happens in the second picture when there isn't teacher. What is the difference between picture 1 and picture 2? Let's check. Excellent. So that is exactly what we are going to check right now, okay? We are going to compare and identify the actions that they are doing on picture 1 and picture 2. So here you go. We already know the picture 1 and picture 2. Let's identify the actions or activities they are doing on picture 1 and picture 2. So here you go. Number 1 says the teacher is reading a story. Excellent. This is in picture 1. The teacher is reading a story. Picture 1. A boy is eating a banana. You tell me, please, picture 1 or picture 2. A boy is eating a banana. Excellent. This is in picture number 2. 2. Let's continue. Let's carry on. One girl is jumping. One girl is jumping. 1 or 2. Excellent, my dear students. That is in picture number 2. One girl is jumping. This is in picture number 2. Excellent. Let's continue. Number 4. The children are sitting down. The children are sitting down. 1 or 2, you tell me. Excellent. That is in picture number 1. They are all sitting down and paying attention to the teacher. Let's continue. Number 5. One girl is painting. One girl is painting. What picture is it? Number 1 or number 2? Yes, excellent. This is in number 2. One girl is painting, and this is Lucy. Okay, let's continue. Let's carry on. The children are listening to the teacher. What picture is this? Listening to the teacher. Okay, right. The answer, my dear students, is 1. The children are listening to the teacher. This is in picture 1. Number 7, a boy is sleeping on his desk. Excellent. So this is in the next part, okay? A boy is sleeping on his desk is in picture number 2. And finally, two boys are drawing on the board. Two boys are drawing on the board. Excellent. That, my dear students, is in picture number 2. Two boys are drawing on the board. That is in picture number 2. Okay? So, my dear students, picture 1, picture 2, picture 1, picture 2, you got it. Yep. So, any question? Do you have any question, my dear students, about this, about the pictures? Okay, so what are these? As you can see here, we have many actions. An action, remember, is an activity that we do. The teacher is reading, a boy is eating, one girl is jumping, sitting, painting, listening, sleeping, drawing. Remember, they are actions. Reading, eating, jumping, sitting, painting, listening, sleeping, and drawing. So let's get ready. And here you go. Pay attention because we're going to do an activity about that, okay? So the first question is going to be very, very easy. Can you tell me what is Sam eating? What is Sam eating? Excellent. The answer is a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A-A. B-A-N-A-N-A. Let's continue to number 2 on his. Can you please tell me where is Ben sleeping? Where is Ben sleeping? Okay, the answer on his desk. Remember, this is a desk. Desk. Super. The next question, can you please tell me what is Lucy drawing? Take a look at Lucy. I give you 20 seconds. Excellent. Remember, Lucy is drawing a lion. She is drawing a lion. And finally, the last question. Take a look, my dear students. Can you please tell me what is Alex throwing? What is Alex throwing? Take a look very well. Excellent, my dear students. This is a ball. A ball. Excellent. So, my dear students, remember an action is an activity that we do. I am sleeping, I am working, she's dancing. So together we are going to play the next game. I am going to share you the next link. And so all together we're going to start by playing this activity. Let me share you because this is very easy to complete, very easy to do. What you have to do here, let's get ready. Okay, please, let's get ready because we're going to do some activities and we are going to play together. So here you go. He, she, or they
They are
are. Tell me what action are they doing?
talking.
Talking. Excellent. That is number one. Let's continue. He, she, or they. You tell me.
She is eating pizza. They are holding hands. They are playing tennis. The birds are flying over the mountain. He is brushing his teeth. He is signing his name. The water is boiling. She is cooking. He is sweeping the floor. She is getting a book. She is drawing on the board. He is bowling. He is fixing a car. They are looking at each other. He is putting on a coat. He is pointing at the clock. He is chopping an onion. She is blowing her nose.
Excellent. And the last one, she
She
is
is diving
diving into the water.
into the water.
Okay, so my dear students, we completed the first activity. Excellent. You are going to complete number two. Okay, so let's get ready. Remember, and when you finish, you need to write your name and your country. For example, Teacher Rosmar is number six. Excellent. I am sure that you can do it. Okay, now please, let's click on play and you are going to do verbs 2, okay? I am going to share you the link. Les voy a compartir el link. Y de tarea as a homework en estos últimos 10 minutes, ustedes van a completar, you are going to complete this activity. So, you can do it. So excellent, my dear students. That's going to be all for today. Don't you forget to complete this activity. Yeah? Remember, today we were learning about the verbs with ing. Yes, remember they are action. Don't you forget, my dear students, that is going to be all for today. Remember, today we were learning about the verbs with ing or the actions. Yes, so excellent. Thank you so much.